Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to my chat session. It is Friday. I'm just getting home from work. Sorry about all the bad lighting. I do have to work tomorrow, and I think I might have to work Sunday. I don't know yet. What I'm going to do is take this coat off. My shirt and I got all kind of messy, y'all. Look at it. And I spilled ranch dressing on my shirt, cheese, some of everything. Like I said, I just got home. So what I'm going to do is just cook dinner really quick. I only cook my chicken that I marinated the night before in some, I think it's Italian dressing. I think that's what it is. I'm also going some vegan chicken bites, and I'm going to put them in some sweet chili sauce. Ooh, my kitchen dirty, y'all. Please excuse that. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and show you guys how I cook that quick, easy vegan chicken meal. It's only 2 items. Only thing it is just the chicken bites and some sauce that I'm going to put it in. I'm just going to use my toaster oven to cook the vegan chicken bites. Use 1 frying pan to cook my chicken in, because I'm only gonna wash that 1 pan because I'm not washing dishes. Because as you can see, right now at the moment is no dishes in the sink. Hopefully you guys can understand now why I'm just gonna cook that stuff. I'm gonna cook that in the toaster oven and go ahead on and cook this chicken in this frying pan and just use 1 thing so I can wash that out. Just straighten up the rest of the stuff in this counter because I'm not doing no dishes tonight. Not tonight. Tenderloins that I marinated in some Italian dressing. This is the Italian dressing I use. All I did was take a big Ziploc bag, put the chicken tenders in there, and put the Italian dressing in there, like filled it up. Put that back in the refrigerator. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna light my candle in my living room so my house will smell like something. And the candle that I'm getting ready to burn is bergamot water. I think that's how you say it, bergamot waters. It smells really good. Just go ahead on and light that up, put that in the living room. Smell good, y'all. Okay, guys, so this is what my chicken tenderloins are looking like that I marinated in Italian dressing, so I'm going to flip them over. What I'm going to cook is the vegan chicken bites here. I'm going to cook 2 bags of these, and this is the sauce, the sweet Thai chili sauce. These 2 items, it's so good, y'all, and it's vegan. Really good. You can eat it for dinner, you can eat it as an appetizer or whatever, and it's so simple and quick, and I'm going to show you guys how I make it. So they say to preheat for 375, so I'm gonna just put the toaster oven on 400. This is what it's looking like. Hey guys, so this is what my vegan chicken bites are looking like. All right, there they go. In there 10 to 11 minutes, but I always keep them in there about 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. It is 6:53 now, so what I'm going to do is finish straightening up my counter and get some other things done while they're cooking and while my chicken is over here cooking as well. Okay guys, so now what I'm getting ready to do is give myself a treatment for my hair. What I'm also going to do is just do some twist on my hair. I love these little neck towels. Well, it's head wraps that you're supposed to put on your hair when you get out the shower to keep your hair from, help dry it. But I love to put them around my neck so when I comb my hair, because my hair sheds so much. And I cannot stand to have hair like on my arm, my back or something, because I can feel it and I'd be like, it's a piece of hair somewhere on me. And it's to the point where if I'm near somebody, I'd be like, hold on, is it a piece of hair right here? Right there, feel it, and they'll look and it be a piece of hair, and it like really, whew, I don't know, just feel like something crawling on me. And I don't like introduce myself when I first came on. My name is Dion. If you are a returning chat partner, hey guys, thank you guys for coming back for another video. I really appreciate my chat partners. If you're a returning chat partner, I'm glad you guys came back for another video. Also, if this is your first time here, I hope you guys decide to become a chat partner. The reason why I call you guys my chat partners is because I just come on here and I just do random talks about any and everything, about whatever I be thinking about what come to my mind, and I just want to cut the camera on and start chatting with people and just talking. And I hope you guys decide to become a chat partner. Any video suggestions you guys have, any videos you would like to see in the comments, please leave them down below. I would really appreciate that. But yeah. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead on and put the vegan chicken bites in the chili sauce. The chicken bites here. This is what they look like. So all I'm going to do is just take them and just pour them right in there. Ain't that just simple and easy, y'all? I have the stove on medium. What I'm going to do now is take this Thai sweet chili sauce and pour it on top of the vegan chicken bites. And all I do is just kind of put it across. Just kind of spread it across. So I just kind of spread it across a little bit. I don't put too much in there because chili sauce heats up, it's going to get thinner, and all I have to do is just stir the vegan chicken bites in the pan, and I just want to coat them. That's it. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is just stir them. Okay guys, so the vegan chicken bites are done now. Okay, so I'm going to put them in a container now before they start sticking. I don't want to, oh, there go one on the side. That means that's the one I'm going to eat too. Amen. That came out for me to test it. He said, I want to go first. I want to be eating first. I want to be the tester. I got my little tester now. Let me see what he tasting like. Okay. The sweet chili Thai sauce. It's good. It's a shame I'm sucking on my finger like it's a chicken bone. But yeah, it's good. You guys should try it. Vegan chicken bites and Thai sweet chili sauce. 2 items, quick and easy. You cook it in a toaster oven. No cleanup, because all I got to do now is tear the aluminum foil off, throw it away. Put this in the sink and wash it out. It's going to take me, what, a minute. Princess, you going to come in here or what? Okay, guys, I'm back. What I do is put on this firming argan sheet mask by Found. 94% natural. It's one single sheet mask. Take it out. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna leave that massaged in my face for a little while. Guys, I'm going to clean out my lunch bag now. So this is my little lunch bag. Remember what's left in here. For breakfast I had boiled eggs and a piece of toast and a Tangelo. And I had like some stuff for snacks. So let's see what's left in here. Okay, so here's my water. Got my ranch dressing. Got some grapes left over that I didn't eat all of them. This is empty because I had some trail mix in here, and what I did was I cut up me a banana and some strawberries and put the trail mix on top. And here's some carrots. I'm gonna do just take this paper towel out. Y'all know what I'm getting ready to do right quick. I'm ready to clean this out right here. These little shells, throw away what I don't use. I got this ragu roasted garlic Parmesan sauce. This is Princess water. We just refill this bottle and put her water in there so she can have cold water. Got dressing, buffalo sauce. Let me see. Don't really look like nothing I could throw away. Let me see what's going on down here. Got some chicken broth. I guess I could throw this away because this ain't but a little bit. It's taking up room in the refrigerator, so I'm gonna throw this away. This is only a smell. Put my wrench in there. Thought I could throw some things away, but it's looking all right. It ain't looking too bad. Looking too bad. You see my refrigerator looking like low. This the chicken I just cooked. This right here, what's the date on this? Let me see. Oh, February 28th. This gotta go in the trash. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this away because it's February 28th. It's old, so this gotta go. So throw this in the trash. Okay. That's my chicken, onion, zucchini, cheese. This is my grape spinach, water, almond milk. Let me see what's going on here. Did anything look like it needed to be thrown away? No, I think everything in there looking pretty decent. Let me see down here. Yeah. Okay, I think that's all looking good. Let me see about these green beans that I said I was gonna cook them out in the kitchen. Let me see these green beans. For Betty six. So if I cook them tomorrow, they'll be alright. I'm gonna have to cook both packs though. So this all this what's looking in my refrigerator right now, y'all. Just eggs, fruits, vegetables. That's about it. Yeah, because I got some peppers, ginger, tomatoes, zucchini. I'll look at it tomorrow. The rest of them, I got some strawberries and my ginger. And here I got romaine heartstring, broccoli slaw, and spinach. So that's good. And what I'm gonna do too is take out this ground turkey here. Take out this ground turkey and sit that there so they can thaw out. Because that thaw out, Sunday I'm gonna cook that in the broccoli slaw. Some clean and clear. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to go ahead on and wrap this video on up. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's just a simple video of what I did on my Friday when I got off work. I appreciate you guys taking the time to spending this little time with me. If this is your first time, please come back for more. Again, my name is Dion. Please subscribe to my channel, leave comments, and hit that like button. Also, click that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload. As always, you guys are great. Be safe. Take care. Be blessed.